Hello there, environment lovers. Welcome back to Sweet Nature Vibes, the channel where we explore the natural world's beauties. My name is Sam, and today we have something absolutely unique to share with you. We'll delve into the fascinating world of the blackbird, one of the most famous and melodious birds on the planet. Blackbirds are more than simply your typical feathered companion. They are members of the thrush family and are distinguished by their magnificent glossy black plumage and brilliant orange-yellow beaks and eye rings. What actually distinguishes them is their wonderful song, a tune that frequently charms our ears in the early hours of the morning. Blackbirds are expert foragers, exploring the undergrowth for insects, worms, and berries. They serve an important role in preserving ecological balance by suppressing insect populations. What's more, guess what? They are not hesitant to explore gardens and parks, making them a common sight in cities as well. A blackbird parent caring for its young is one of the most wonderful sights in the bird world. They make their nests out of grass, twigs, and mud, and they usually hide them in bushes or trees. Seeing them feed and defend their babies is a true monument to the miracles of nature. Let's move on to some fantastic blackbird facts. Did you know blackbirds are great mimics? They have extraordinary vocal powers and can imitate the sounds of other birds as well as mechanical noises. Another interesting fact, in many traditions, blackbirds represent metamorphosis and fresh beginnings. As we come to the end of our blackbird expedition, I want you to take a moment to appreciate the beauty of these wonderful birds. Keep an ear out for their lovely singing, whether you're in the middle of the wilderness or in your own garden. It's a reminder that there's always time to connect with nature's gentle serenades, even in the busiest of lives. That concludes today's episode. If you love this blackbird excursion, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more Sweet Nature Vibes, and click the notification bell to never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering nature's pleasant feelings. Sam here, signing off. Take care, and we'll see you on your next excursion.